How to use Klarna Pay in 4. Want to split your payments? This guide shows you how you can use Klarna's Pay in 4 option so you can split your purchase into 4 payments. First, you need to find a merchant that accepts Klarna. Once you're at the checkout page, you'll see a few payment options. Select Klarna as a payment method. You'll then be taken to Klarna's payment page. On the Klarna's payment page, you'll see a few payment options. Select Pay in 4. Since you don't have an access to the Klarna service right now, please follow the rest of the steps yourself. Select Pay in 4. The total purchase amount will be split in 4 equal payments. The first payment will be due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments will be due every 2 weeks. Once you've selected Pay in 4, you'll need to confirm the payment plan. You'll see a summary of the payments, including the due dates. Once you've confirmed, the payment will be processed. You'll receive a confirmation email from Klarna with all the details of your payment plan. It is a great way to split your payments. You now know how to use Klarna Pay in 4. Get ready to split your payments. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.